In this video, we'll be talking about how to deposit on stake with GPay. So in order to do this, just click onto this wallet and then instead of clicking on deposit, as you can see the deposit will only give us a deposit address, we need to buy. So click on this buy option and then from in there, just head over and choose in here the crypto that you want to buy. For example, let's use in here Solana. Then enter in here the amount that you want to spend. For example, let's choose in here $15. Now from there, click onto this next option and then just choosing here the payment provider and click onto this buy option. Once you have done that, we'll be redirected to this and we can now see in here the amount of US dollars as well as the amount we will receive. And then from in there, we have in here the payment method. Here's GPay. Just head over and click on it and click on continue. Just click onto this enter your email and then they will send the verification code. So just input right here your verification code. And then once you have done that, you should be able to deposit on stake with GPay that you have on your payment method option.